The Mitsubishi is a pain because sometimes they just don't program in. So I was like, maybe I won't film it, but I'm gonna film it. We'll try it. Why not? You know.
Mitsubishi parts, may I help you?
Hey, bud, I'm trying to get a part number for a customer's vehicle. I'm a locksmith. Can I give you the VIN?
Yeah, the last 8.
Last 8 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6. It looks like a U 051056. I can't tell if that's a V or a U. Might be a V.
Yeah, it's a U.
It is? Okay.
What do you need the part number for the key? Or?
Yeah. It's a Mitsubishi Lancer, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Part number is Mary Nancy 103632.
Sorry, Mary Nancy 103632?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Oh no, someone's asking me for a key code. You're gonna have to wait a minute. Let's check this part number. No results found. Of course that. Let's see what comes up on. Okay. So it is coming up as Mitsubishi blah 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 blah. It's definitely coming up. That's an MIT 17. Let's call my supplier and see what they say, which key it is.
How can I help you?
Hi. I'm trying to get a part number for, or I have a part number. I'm trying to see if you can tell me what key it is, if you don't mind.
Okay, what's the part number?
Part number is, it's Mary Nancy 103632.
Mary Nancy 103.
Yep.
32.
Yep. Over here, we go to Lancer. That's our key code series, so it's the 3000. We're gonna fill it.
Popping up for that.
Say it again.
Nothing pops up for that.
It comes up on Google.
For that part number.
3000 series. Question mark.
Is this for a Mitsubishi?
Yeah, it's Mitsubishi. It's a Mitsubishi. Sorry, it's a Mitsubishi Lancer, 2006 or something. 4224. That's a 3 actually. This sucks when it moves like that. You can't tell where to go. Two, 1.
Is it a key blank?
Say it again.
Is it gonna be a key blank?
Yeah, it's a key blank. Yeah.
So for Mitsubishi, I would only have the remote. It doesn't show the key blank for the Lancer.
I know, that's my problem. I'm trying to see if I'm cutting the right key because it's a chip key. I think it's MIT 17, but I don't know, you know.
Yeah, because when I search up the part number, it doesn't nothing pops up on our site.
It doesn't have what?
Or it doesn't give me the part number, like, for our website. When I put the part number that you're giving me,
Yeah, I know. I checked it too.
yeah, I don't think we're gonna have it.
Do you? That's what I was trying to see, because you have like I have an MIT 17 from you guys, and I'm wondering if it will work.
Where's that one?
Well, well, MIT 17 is a pretty common key, but you guys only list it for like one vehicle, like an Outback or something, but it works on other vehicles too.
What is it? You sure?
You're not sure? Okay, no problem. I'll try it out.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks.
Sorry about that.
Bye. All right, we're not getting a match found, so we have to put it in betweens. 4, 2, that's pretty dead on. That could be a 3, and that could be a 3. So we're gonna do 2 or 3, so that's gonna be a T. And then 4 or 3, and that's gonna be a B. I'm letting it go, but every time I let it go, I have to pick it again. But this is so you guys can watch. So 4, 2, T and B, no match found. We're gonna put a question mark for that 4, and then see what we get. No match found. This one was a 2, but it could be a 2 or a 3, so we'll go T. No match found. Huh. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna guess it's this one. What's my guess? 5, 2, 3, 2. Okay, but I'm not sure, so I'll probably pick the ignition. See if we get something better. I don't even know if this ignition could be picked, but we're gonna find out together. No, if I remember correct, the tool doesn't go in enough. Yeah, it doesn't go in far enough. All right, well, this is why we have metal keys, so we can do some tryout keys, unless there's a trunk lock. Let's see. Yep, there's a trunk lock. Let's try that one. It might be a little bit easier to read. It doesn't really go in very good. Okay, we're in. Yeah, that's actually a lot firmer, so definitely needs WD-40 though. All right, sprayed the lock. Let's see what we got. This one's gonna be a hard one, because as soon as I pick one, it like starts. Okay. It makes sense that that's the second cut is a 5. But okay. All right, let's see what we got. And compare that to the that's a 5. 5, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna just back everything up. 5, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That was so different. But we did get it 2 options, so pretty sure that's gonna be the right key. I'll cut a test key just to be safe. All right, well, I could dig for a test key. I don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna cut the chip key. I'm gonna go with my vehicle, Mitsubishi Lancer 3000 series. Codes 31128. So either key should turn in the door and the trunk. The first cut matters for the ignition only. Starting to rain, we gotta close this window. Okay, gotta hurry up. It's gonna start pouring in a minute. I don't know how you guys do it in another state where it rains all the time. I guess they're more prepared than me in my short sleeves. All right, let's go test this key out. Perfect. So at least we got the door cuts right. Let's see if we got ignition. Yep, we got ignition. Okay, let's program it. Mitsubishi Lancer. I guess 03. Hit remote. This is an 05. Turn ignition off. Database error. Okay. Well, I guess we should make sure it's a chip key. It's not chipped. Car is on. Alright, that's funny. Alright, let's make him a couple spares. Oh, there we go. Just wasted a chip key. So it's not actually a chip key.
Oh, it's not?
No.
So I could have just hotwired this thing, got it back home, and put a new ignition cylinder in it?
Yeah, then you'd have a different key for your door and ignition. But technically, and then your steering wheel would probably be locked too if you don't have a key. So you try it with that, it'll start. I did cut the chip key and tried to program it, and then it wouldn't program. So I'm like, let me try to start the car. And it fired right up, so.
Maybe because I got a different computer, it doesn't need that.
Oh, maybe.
So I got two.
I don't.
keys?
Well, I made you a spare.
Oh, I appreciate that, man.
Cool.
So